Some cowboy boots are made for show, and some are made for go. The Chisos No. 6 is all about the latter. A boot that combines a classic roper style with Chisos' signature comfort. The No. 6 is designed to move with you, work with you, and last for the long haul. With a lower heel, a slightly shorter shaft, and a minimalist silhouette, the No. 6 embodies quiet resilience. It's the understated cousin of the traditional cowboy boot. Practical, versatile, ready for whatever the day brings. But don't let the simplicity fool you. The No. 6 is still built to last and engineered for ultimate comfort, making them one of the most comfortable boots you'll ever wear. Crafted from the Chisos signature heritage leathers, the No. 6 isn't just made to look good, it's built to perform. Our leathers offer durability while adapting to your foot over time, creating a custom fit that only gets better with age. In honor of our namesake, the Chisos Mountains, the No. 6 features subtle cording and embroidery around the crown, forming the silhouette of those towering peaks. It's a quiet tribute to the rugged beauty of Big Bend, and it's a nod to the spirit of the land that we call home. With a 9.5-inch shaft and a 1¼ inch heel, the No. 6 strikes a perfect balance between practicality and style. It's the kind of boot that can handle long hours on your feet, but still looks great when you're walking out the door. Roper boots were born out of necessity. Early 20th century calf ropers needed a boot that allowed them quick movement and stability without tall heels and high shafts typical of traditional cowboy boots. Enter the roper, a flatter-footed design with a shorter heel and a streamlined profile for easy movement and comfort. The Chisos No. 6 stays true to that heritage, offering all of the comfort and utility of the original roper with our signature craftsmanship. Versatility is key. Whether you're working on the ranch, riding trails, or just tackling daily tasks, the No. 6 is up to the challenge. The flatter footing offers superior comfort for long days on your feet, while the shorter shaft allows for easy wear and removal. For those who appreciate both the traditional height of cowboy boots and the practical comfort of a roper, the No. 6 provides a perfect complement. And if you're like us, you might find yourself switching between the two, appreciating each for what it brings. Comfort isn't something we compromise on at Chisos. The No. 6 is crafted with our heritage leathers, providing the durability and strength that our boots are known for. And that comfort insole is a game changer. With every step, it molds to your foot, giving a fit that feels custom right from the start. So whether you're running errands, working the ranch, or out for a ride, the No. 6 is built to keep up. Its quiet silhouette might not demand attention, but it gets the job done. The Chisos No. 6 is for those who value practicality as much as style. A roper with a story of its own. Quietly strong, supremely comfortable, and tough enough for any task, the No. 6 moves with you wherever you go. So if you're searching for a boot that blends comfort, durability, and a subtle nod to the beauty of the Chisos Mountains, the No. 6 is your answer. Step into a pair today and experience comfort that works as hard as you do.